Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to cook egg noodles perfectly. First, select a large pot, ensuring there is plenty of room for your noodles to expand while cooking. Fill this pot with approximately 3 to 4 quarts of cold water, then add about 1 to 2 tablespoons of salt. This salting of the water is essential. It seasons the noodles from the inside out and prevents them from becoming bland. Bring this salted water to a rolling boil over high heat. It should be bubbling vigorously. Once your water is at a full, rolling boil, carefully add about 12 ounces of your dried egg noodles into the pot. Be sure to stir them right away. This crucial step stops them from clumping together and ensures even cooking. Continue stirring occasionally for the first minute or so. Cook these noodles for approximately 3 to 5 minutes, keeping an eye on them. Always refer to your package directions, as cooking times can vary slightly depending on the noodle's thickness. To ensure your egg noodles are perfectly cooked, taste a single strand after about 3 minutes. They should be tender, yet still offer a very slight chewiness in the center, a texture known as al dente. Avoid overcooking, as this can make them mushy and less enjoyable. Once they reach your desired doneness, immediately and carefully pour the entire contents of your pot into a colander placed in your sink. Make sure all the cooking water drains away thoroughly. A common question is whether to rinse egg noodles after draining. For most applications, especially if you are serving them warm with a sauce, do not rinse them. The thin layer of starch that remains on the surface of the noodles helps your sauce cling beautifully, enhancing the flavor experience. Only rinse your noodles with cold water if you plan to use them in a cold dish, such as a salad, or if you need to stop the cooking process immediately for future use.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.